Hey everybody, how you doing? Peter Carvell here, and today I want to show you one of the simplest, most powerful chest push-up workouts that you can do right there at home. Now this one is advanced, guys, so make sure if it's too much for you, don't go for as long as we are going to go today. But we are basically going to do something known as density training. And the goal is simple. You try and do as many push-ups as you can in 3 minutes. And I'm going to do it with you right now so you can just follow along. But remember a few things. Number one, there will come a point where you might have to drop down from a normal push-up to knee push-ups. That's normal. There might come a point where you have to do one push-up at a time. That's normal. And there might even come a time where you just can't continue any longer. That's fine as well. Next time, just try and do better. But let me take you through one of these workouts and you're going to find how powerful it is tomorrow when you feel the pain in your chest. So I have my timer here. We're going to get started. We have 10 seconds to count down, and then we get ourselves in a position, and you are basically just going to do as many push-ups as you can. Ready? 3, 2, 1, let's go. I don't even count. I just do to failure. Then I rest, and then I continue again. The goal is to try and do as many as you can in 3 minutes. Keep breathing. And when you talk like I'm doing right now, it becomes a lot harder. So I'm going to be quiet and just go through this workout with you guys. Let's go. So 2.5 minutes to go. And I'm going to take a break there. You can take a break for as long as you want. 10 seconds, 20 seconds, whatever you do. And then when you feel ready, you go again. Let's go. Obviously, every time you do more, you're going to feel that it becomes harder and harder. Okay, take another break. And that is 2 minutes to go. Don't laugh at me. You're going to find out this is pretty tough. Especially if you don't have a lot of muscle endurance, muscle strength, all of those things comes into play. Where are we? 1 minute 40 to go. Let's go. Try again. Try and keep proper form, proper technique. Holy moly. Okay. 1.5 minutes to go. I'm going to go down my knees so I can just try and do a few more than just 3 or 4 every time. 1 minute 20 seconds to go. Enjoying it so far? Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. You get to a point where you just do what you can on your knees, normal push-ups, doesn't matter. Okay, 50 seconds to go. Keep pushing, we're almost there. 1, 2, 3. We now just try and do as many as you can, guys. You might get to a point where you're just doing one at a time, like I'll be doing from now onwards. So, 1, another 1, 30 seconds to go. 3. Keep pushing, we're almost there. Do one on my knees. 15 seconds to go. Gonna rest 5 and I'm gonna go for the last 10 seconds and see if I can do a few proper ones to finish off with. Onto my knees. Keep pushing. Great workout. So there you go, guys. It's pretty tough. As you can see, I just did it right now so you understand. You will struggle. You will drop down to your knees. You will do one at a time. It comes to that point. So if you are a beginner, remember, just try and do 1 or 2 minutes and build up to 3 minutes. And if you advance, you can go up to 4 to 5 minutes. But it's extremely tough, extremely powerful. And it might seem easy when you do it, and your chest might not hurt as much right now, but I promise you tomorrow you're going to feel it. Now I want to provide you with one advanced strategy that you can use to finish this workout off and to get even better results, and that is to do 3 isometric holds down in a contraction position. So you're doing it, you're holding it here. Okay, you do 3 of those, and you just hold it for as long as you can. Okay, and then you take a break, 20 to 30 seconds, no issues, and then you do 3 of those, and that will be a complete workout then. So 3 minutes, density training as many as you can, followed by 3 isometric holds for as long as you can. That right there, one of the most powerful push-up chest workouts you can do right there at home to build a bigger chest fast. So there you go, guys. If you enjoyed this video, click on the like button. Please share it with your friends. If you're not a subscriber yet, please subscribe. If you are a subscriber, don't forget to click on that bell icon so you can switch on your notifications and you can get my regular videos coming to you to show you how to transform your body right there at home.